Make the video! God. Flash flood 101.
Yeah, flash flood warning.
If you...
That person's things over there. They're going crazy.
What?
Yeah, we just got a flash flood warning earlier.
Oh, I did.
Well, yeah, you did.
Holy!
Your poor bike.
Oh yeah, my poor bike just got freaking fixed.
Did it?
Yeah.
What happened to it?
The brakes were like trash. And it was making all those creaking noise. Freaking rust.
Squeaky?
Yeah. Well, guess we're gonna have to clean it tomorrow again. Wow! I'm freaking upload this to
Oh,
YouTube.
lightning!
I didn't hear crap.
Lightning, you don't hear a lightning.
Well, usually thunder goes.
It'll go in a minute.
Okay, that's your flash flood warning. Everyone take shelter. Homeless people, busting someone's house. You're good. Bye!